and have a perfectly good Sunday ruined.
Oh, this has to be the hottest night ever. Actually, before I watch Collision, I'm gonna go for a cold shower. That's the only thing I'm wearing. That's how hot it is. 15 minutes I was in there. I swear I'm not even gonna bother drying myself off correctly. I want this to last as long as possible. The temperature must be some kind of record, surely. So for the last hour, I've been trying to sort these films out in a way where I can find them easier. So I thought I'll do a rough alphabetization. So starting with the 6th day, 30 Days of Night. 30 Days of Night, I think one of them's the TV show. Anyway, you get the point. And then A, B, C, D, whatever. But I keep finding more, so I have to keep moving the things back. But I'm thinking of putting all the franchises up here. I've got all these James Bond films. Might as well put them up there. I think I've got most, if not all of them. And yeah, that's what I'm doing with my morning. I found a Shut up. I found a duplicate. I've got 2 of the Japanese The Ring movies. I've got 1 and 2 here. I did have both of them on separate discs, and then I found this. So I bought it to save space, you know, because I have too many. So what I've been doing with any duplicates is I take the worst looking disc or case, keep that to one side, and I make a new case for the disc and then slip it into this section here. There you go. Now I take this case, take the sleeve out, and that could be added to the shoebox full of sleeves that I have, that I'm going to either put up on a wall or epoxy resin into a table, depending, you know, I have loads, so I've got plenty of them. My old copies are in there, so just to save space, you know. So there's a lot, there's quite a lot of DVDs in this collection that have a spare. Oh, I'm a psycho. Also, you got the Grudge movies, and obviously the Japanese ones are better. Then you run into problems like this, where I've got the Wreck trilogy, and I've got a 2-disc version of the first film. I think to save space, I will take the second disc out of this, keep the sleeve, keep that might come in handy one day. I'll just add that second disc here. I feel like a nutcase doing this, you know. Look, it barely fits in there. But it does. It's good enough. Right, I've had enough for one day. If you're a movie buff, you kind of get the idea of why I've put franchises here. Like in some kind of weird order. That's the only Troma movie I have, so I've just dumped that there because it fits perfectly. I do have some Troma movies on Blu-ray, but not many. All the Tremor movies, Hammer Collection, I've got more of them, I'll deal with that later. Eli Roth, Robert Rodriguez, Quentin Tarantino, there's the Grindhouse stuff that they did, that all 3 are kind of involved in. Then you got Dusk Till Dawn, which is an amazing film. Anyway, Ginger Snaps, all the Saw movies. I bought these Kilner jars yesterday at a charity shop. I've bleached and cleaned them about 3 times, because you never know what psychos owned them before, you know, they could have been storing their own shit in it for all I know. Like literally jars of poo in their attic or something, I don't know. No, they smelt clean. That's why I bought them. And my coffee is ready. My rice can go in that, if it'll fit. Okay, the rice was a bad idea. Not only does it not fit, but I got rice all over the counter. I should really think these things through. Speaking of things going through, that coffee's just hit. Ooh, there goes last night's curry. Yeah, don't know what I'm going to store in them yet, but maybe I'll start my own turd collection. I'm going to watch an episode of Black Mirror. I watched one last night called Joan is Awful. It was really good. I love Black Mirror, man. I haven't seen any of the new series yet, apart from Joan is Awful, so I'm just going to watch that now before I go shopping. If you haven't seen the episode of Black Mirror called Lock Henry, you need to skip ahead this much, because this is basically a reaction video. Spoiler alert, spoiler alert. Anyway, I miss Scotland. I'm gonna have to go up there again soon. Some of the roads up there are incredible. I might go over Christmas.
What's the hook?
I feel a twist coming in this episode. I'm just gonna say that now. I think that Bergerac video has something on it, and that his dad was involved in the murders. I've been watching Twilight Zone and Tales from the Crypt since I was a kid. I can smell a twist coming a mile off. Now,
Thank you.
they were just involved in an accident. Her boyfriend is now in the hospital. She's alone with his mum. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I think she's going to go through that tape, and after everything they've recorded, she's going to find some footage of something else on there. She's going to find out that she knows. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but yeah. I'm going to keep recording because it's going to happen any minute now.
What do you want?
I think he's about to explain to him that his mum is involved.
You have to stop your film.
Oh my god. It was so obvious. Wait, they were both involved?
The mistress is going to have fun with the both of you. Does that sound like
His mum! Oh my god. Oh my god. I haven't heard this song in years. Is that his mum? What the hell? What the fuck? Okay. Uh-oh.
Shepherd's pie. It's ready.
So all those detective tapes probably have
Right.
weird sex stuff on them.
And plate up.
She's just spotted the mask on the wall, and the mother just said, "Ken gave me that. We had such fun together."
Everything all right? Into the bathroom.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, no signal because you're in Scotland. She's gonna find out that she knows. This episode is pretty predictable, but I'm still enjoying it. She's going for the videos. She's gonna watch them? What? Well, you had a nice run, love, eh? Maybe it's time to get out while the getting's still good. Oh, so now he knows, and they're just gonna go over the film. I guess we're watching their film. Yeah, Streamberry.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Streamberry is the make-believe version of Netflix. It's already featured in the last episode, but the Scottish guy in the pub said Netflix earlier. But in this universe, the Black Mirror universe, Streamberry is Netflix. So why did he say Netflix? If this was real, this would be an amazing documentary.
Ian Adair acted alone. In fact, he'd been under the guidance
Ian Adair looks like
and his wife, Janet.
wait a minute. Who's that guy from Lost Prophets? Yeah, him. Ian Adair. Does he look like the guy from Lost Prophets? Do they look similar? I mean, obviously it's not the same person. That's an actor. But I don't know, they kind of look similar. Maybe that's why they called him Ian Adair. Like Ian Watkins. Anyway.
Acted alone. In fact, he'd been under the guidance of
Technically, this is a reaction video at this point. I'm making a reaction video without even realising that's what I'm doing. Well, that was a good episode. Yeah, get off my phone, you nonce. That was a high 7 out of 10. I enjoyed that one. For the guys on the Discord, this is the selection at Tesco that I was on about. That's pretty much all we got here. Ooh. Strawberry and peat, I haven't seen them before. I can't believe how hot it is considering how cloudy it is. And it's like September 10th. Not complaining but I could not sleep last night. It's way too hot. Right, shopping done. I'm going on a diet for a bit, so I'm going to be eating salads for my pack-ups. Prep's done. Time for a Sunday dinner. Can't believe how busy Caernarfon is. What's a park at Morrison's? Yeah, I'm off to the I can't believe it hasn't been cancelled yet in to get a Carvery. Hopefully it's not too busy in there because Caernarfon seems to be pretty rammed today. There's a race going on here today, or at least there was. I could have come here earlier and asked them, what time do you call this? Somebody's dropped their chocolate ice cream, look. Poor bugger. Just saw a fellow human being wearing a horror movie Halloween t-shirt. I was like, don't look at me, look at my shoes. My Friday the 13th one's on. We could have been best buds forever. Not true. I'd have scared her off somehow. Plus she was with a boyfriend. No way. Right, time to upload this week's vlog. These thumbnail options are hilarious, look. Stringy cheese face, pointing at the gap in my teeth face, and just, I don't know. Anyway, vlog's up with 2.5 hours before it goes live. Time for a coffee. And also a dessert. Off on a walk now. Hopefully to burn off like, I don't know, 2 roast potatoes from that Carvery that I just had. Then it's movie night tonight on Sundays. I usually watch a post 9/11 movie. But as it's 9/11 tomorrow, I might watch 102 Minutes That Changed America, which is like a compilation of footage from Tower 1 getting struck to when the buildings collapsed. It's kind of a morbid thing to watch, but I always watch it around this time of year. I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment, wipe your ass if you watched it on the toilet. Don't forget to do that. Do what you want, dude. Have a cake or something. I'll see you in the next one.